Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at a budget phone from Nokia. Though this C1 model isn't very new, it is still available, so let's open up the box and take a look at what we can expect with an entry-level Android device. As we slide open the box and take out the phone and the kit, you can see that there is a removable battery, which is indeed nice. Documentation includes 2 pamphlets, one to get started and some safety information. There is a included charger, and the cable is unfortunately not Type-C, but that's not expected at this price point. Looking at the actual phone, it's got a matte gray back, and this rear panel is in fact removable so that the battery can be put in. Hit pause now for a quick spec sheet, and do get subscribed for our full deep dive review of this device. Hope you are enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next one.